Hey everyone, welcome back to 10 Things YouTube channel. I will never look at baking soda the same way after learning this. Today, we're diving into 9 incredible hacks using baking soda that can truly change your daily routine. Whether it's for cleaning, personal care, or a few surprise uses, baking soda is the ultimate multitasker you didn't know you needed. So let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about your fridge. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber. Just place an open container inside, and it'll keep your fridge smelling fresh by absorbing all those food odors. Struggling with those tough, stuck-on food stains? No worries. Sprinkle baking soda on your pan, add a bit of hot water, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and watch those stubborn stains wipe away like magic. Want a quick teeth whitening trick? A little baking soda mixed with water can make a great natural whitening paste. Just brush gently though. Try this once a week for a brighter smile. Hack 4. Freshen up carpets. Revitalize your carpet by sprinkling baking soda across it. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then vacuum it up. It'll help lift away odors and make your carpet smell brand new. Hack 5. Natural deodorant. Out of deodorant? Baking soda's got you covered. Simply dab a small amount under your arms and it'll absorb odors while keeping you fresh. Perfect for a quick fix. Hack 6. Clean up your shoes. Smelly shoes? No problem. Just sprinkle a little baking soda inside and leave it overnight. Shake it out the next morning and say goodbye to those odors. Hack 7. Boost your laundry. Want brighter clothes and fresher laundry? Add half a cup of baking soda to your wash. It'll give your detergent a boost and leave clothes feeling soft and smelling fresh. Hack 8. Clean up scuff marks. Got scuff marks on your walls or floors? Mix a bit of baking soda with water to create a paste, apply it to the mark, and gently rub. Those marks will disappear in seconds. Hack 9. DIY air freshener. And finally, for a DIY air freshener, mix baking soda with a few drops of your favorite essential oil, place it in a small container, and boom! You've got a custom air freshener that's cheap and chemical-free. Who knew one simple ingredient could be so powerful? Try out these baking soda hacks and let us know which one's your favorite in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.